Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to English grammar class. In our today's grammar class, we are going to study next chapter and the topic is adjectives. Now in the previous chapter we studied about nouns, about pronouns, right? In our today's lecture we are going to study about adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are words that describe a noun or pronoun. Means the words that tell us something more about noun or pronoun. ठीक है, थोड़ा डिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं नाउन या प्रोनाउन के बारे में, थोड़ी डिटेल्स हमें बताते हैं. That words are adjectives. Let's take one example. If I say Vijay is a tall boy, so Vijay is noun, right? Boy is also noun. It tells that Vijay is a boy, but what kind of boy? Okay, what is the quality? The quality is tall. Okay, so this adjective describes us about noun. ठीक है, विजय को ज्यादा डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है the word tall. ठीक है, तो विजय है, बॉय है, उसको ज्यादा डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है word tall. Let's take another example. If I say rose is a beautiful flower. Okay, so we know that rose is a flower, but here the word that qualifies, that modifies or that gives more detail about rose is beautiful. Okay, so rose is a beautiful flower. Here beautiful is adjective. Let us study different types of adjectives. There are 9 types of adjectives. In our curriculum we are going to study 9 types of adjectives, as you can see on this blackboard. Okay, so let's start with the first type of adjective, that is adjective of quality. ठीक है, this adjective describes about the quality of noun or pronoun. ये adjective है, वो हमें quality के बारे में बताता है. Now how you can find this kind of adjective? You can find this kind of adjective by asking what kind. ठीक है, if you will ask what kind to a noun or pronoun, you will get the answer of qualitative adjective. Here let's take one example. Here there are words of qualitative adjective. Let's take an example. Sarah is a smart girl. Okay, so Sarah is what kind of girl? She is smart. So smart is qualitative adjective. Okay, wise. Ashoka was a wise king. So what kind of king? Wise. Okay, Ashoka was what kind of king? Ashoka was wise. So these are qualitative adjectives. Now number 2. Okay, type 2 is quantitative. Means adjective of quantity. It shows the quantity, right? You have to ask how much. Okay, if you will ask how much to a noun or pronoun, you will get the answer of adjective of quantity. It shows the quantity. Here there are words like much, little, enough, some. Okay, give me some rice. Okay, so it is quantity, right? It is describing quantity. If I say that I want to eat some burgers. Okay, so some describes quantity. If I say please bring little water in a glass, so little is quantity. There is a little water in the jug, so little is the quantity, right? So these are the adjectives of quantity that show quantity. You have to ask how much. Okay, how much water? Little water. Okay, now the third type is adjective of number. Okay, it shows us the number. It tells us about the number. How many numbers? Now we have to ask how many to noun. If you ask how many to a noun or pronoun, the answer you get is adjective of number. Here if I say I have 5 balloons. Okay, so how many balloons? 5. So that is adjective of number. Riya secured first position in the race. Okay, Riya secured first position. Okay, so here first is also adjective of number. Okay, I ranked first in the class. So that is adjective of number. Here you have to ask how many. Okay. So these are the examples of adjective of number. There are also words like few, some, several. Now these words are also used in both the kinds of adjective. How you will identify? Normally adjective of number is used with countable nouns and adjective of quantity is used with uncountable nouns. Okay, here we took an example of rice. Okay, we took the example of rice. Rice is uncountable noun and water is uncountable noun, right? Here we took example of balloons that are surely countable, right? You can count balloons, you can count balls. Okay, so if I say I have 2 balls, so they are countable. Now the fourth type of adjective is interrogative adjective. These kind of adjectives are used to ask questions. Okay, they are used to ask questions. Now if I say which bag is yours? Okay, so which is interrogative adjective. Okay, here you have to keep in mind that interrogative adjective is always followed by a noun. यानी interrogative adjective के पीछे noun या pronoun होता ही है. Okay, if I say whose car is this? Okay, so it is interrogative adjective. Whose here is a interrogative adjective. Now the fifth type is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate. Okay, this adjective is demonstrating. It is pointing out a noun. It points out a noun or pronoun. ठीक है? यहाँ पर this, these, that, those ये सारे words है वो यूज होते हैं. If I say that car is mine. Okay, so here I am using demonstrative adjective. If I say that this car is mine, means this is here demonstrative adjective. Okay, if I say that, what is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun? You will get confused, right? But here you have to think that here this is always followed by noun. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर adjective is always followed by noun. जैसे this car, तो car है वो noun है, तो यहाँ पर ये adjective हुआ. Okay, अगर मैं बोलूँ कि this is my car, तो this के बाद मैंने is यूज किया जो एक helping verb है, तो वो हो जाएगा pronoun. ठीक है? This is my car अगर मैं बोलती हूँ तो वो वहां पर this pronoun है, पर अगर मैं ऐसा बोलती हूँ this car is mine, तो this के पीछे अगर noun आता है तो वो होता है demonstrative adjective. Okay, now the sixth type is possessive. Okay, possessive adjective shows possession. ठीक है? ये ownership, एक belonging दिखाता है, एक possession दिखाता है. ठीक है? यहाँ पर जो वर्ड्स यूज होते हैं, जो एडजेक्टिव्स यूज होते हैं, वो होते हैं his, mine, her, your, yours, their. ओके, यहाँ पर भी सेम रूल अप्लाई होता है कि ये एडजेक्टिव्स के पीछे है वो नाउन होना चाहिए. जैसे कि मैंने बोला this is his bag. ओके, this is his bag, तो his के पीछे नाउन आया तो ये हो जाएगा possessive adjective. Okay, so हमेशा आपको याद रखना है if it is followed by a noun, if adjective is followed by a noun, then you have to count it as an adjective. Okay, and you have to always think that this word is it enhancing the noun or is it in place of a noun. ठीक है? आपको ये सोचना है कि ये noun नाउन के बारे में डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है या ये नाउन के ही जगह पर हमने यूज किया है? तो आपको राइट आंसर मिल जाएगा। ओके, नाउ सेवंथ टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव, ओके, इन दिस टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव there is distribution, okay, and it refers the group, okay, group को एक एक दिखाते हैं, means it shows each noun of group, it distributes the group of noun. Now the examples, the words used are each, neither, every, okay. Each student must come at school. So here if I am saying each student, so it is a distributive adjective. Each student should come at school. Neither of the girls went to zoo. Okay, neither of the girls went to zoo. So it is here distributive adjective. Okay. Now here also distributive adjective is followed by noun. Okay. Now eighth type is principles as adjective. Okay, there are some principles, okay, of present verb or of past verb that are also used as an adjective. So this is the eighth type. Here we use present and past participle of verb. Means when the adjective is having verb plus ing form and verb plus ed form. For present it is having verb plus ing form. Suppose I say that this is interesting book. Okay, so here we know that interesting word is adjective. Okay, this is interesting book. Now here the word interesting is, telling something more about book. Okay, it is enhancing the meaning of noun. So it is adjective. Now verb plus ed, that is past participle. Okay, verb plus ed form. Now if I say that this show amused all the audience. Okay, this amused all the audience. So this is, यहाँ पर जो amused है वो एक adjective है. Okay, यहाँ पर हम और एग्जाम्पल्स देखने वाले हैं. नाउ नंबर 9, प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव. नाउ यू स्टडीड अबाउट प्रॉपर नाउन, राइट? सिमिलरली दिस एडजेक्टिव इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, तो जो प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव है वो प्रॉपर नाउन में से बने हैं. प्रॉपर नाउन क्या होता है? ऐसा नाउन जो यूनिक हो, जो स्पेसिफिक हो, जो पर्टिकुलर हो. ओके, we took the example of Ganga. So the Ganga is a proper noun, right? And India is a proper noun. India is a country, name of country, right? So here examples of proper adjective are Indian, Arabian, Chinese. If I say that I like Chinese food. Okay, I like Chinese food. So Chinese here is an adjective. Okay, which food I like? I like Chinese food. So it is enhancing the meaning of noun. Okay, if I say the Arabian Nights is the best book for children. Arabian Nights. Okay, so here this is the enhancing the meaning. Okay, and it is proper adjective. It has originated from a noun, right? So Arabian, Indian, Chinese, ये सारे जो भी words हैं वो proper noun में से बने हुए हैं. So they are proper adjectives. Okay, I hope you understood this.
Let's understand the topic adjectives and types of adjectives of chapter 6 in detail. What are adjectives? Adjectives are those words which describe the nouns or pronouns, or adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Means the words that describe noun or pronoun is adjective. It describes, it gives description. Okay, it tells us something more about noun or pronoun. It gives us details about noun or pronoun. Adjectives are of different kinds. Types of adjectives. Here in this chapter we are going to study 9 types of adjectives. The first type is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes the quality of noun. Okay, it describes quality of noun or pronoun. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quality, like good, bad, black, hungry, etc. These are qualities. Okay, so you have to ask of what kind to a noun to get qualitative adjective. Here, let's take example. Mohan is a good boy. Here, good is the quality. Okay. The second type, adjective of quantity. The words which describe the quantity, approximate quantity of noun or pronoun are called adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity describes the quantity, not exactly, not exact number, but it describes approximate quantity. It answers the question how much. Okay, how much, if you are asking to the noun, the answer you get is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity are generally used for uncountable nouns, to describe uncountable nouns. Here examples are some, little, all, whole, double, few, half, any, etc. These are words of adjective of quantity. Let's take one example. There was little water in the pot. Okay, here the word little is adjective of quantity. Little describes the quantity of water in the jug. Okay, how much water? Little water. The third type of adjective, adjective of number. Adjective of number expresses the exact number of nouns or pronouns. It tells us about the exact number of nouns or pronouns and their position or place in certain order. It tells us about their position or place. Okay, and it is called adjective of number. For example, one or first, two or second, three or third, and so on. Here if I say, let's take example 1. I have one ball. So here it describes about the number of balls I have. So it tells how many balls? 1. You have to ask how many to nouns. Okay, how many to nouns or pronouns. She secured the first position in the race. So you have to ask which. Okay, so here first is describing the position. It is describing the rank, the place. Okay, so she secured the first position in the race. Now, next example. There are no stories in this book. Here, no is adjective of number because it describes that there are no stories, 0 stories. Okay, it describes indirectly, it describes the number of adjective. Now the fourth type of adjective is interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective ask question. Words that are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Okay, words which ask question. Okay, adjectives which ask question are interrogative adjective. Few words of interrogative adjectives are WH question words like who, which, whose, what. Let's take example. Whose computer is this? Here, this is a question, but this question is related to a noun. Okay, so which is related to noun, which is describing about the noun, so it is interrogative adjective, which is used to ask about noun, right? So it is interrogative adjective. Let's take one more example. Which car do you like? Okay, here also this is interrogative sentence. Here which is interrogative adjective which is used to ask question about noun. Okay, now the fifth type of adjective is demonstrative adjective. Words that are used to point out specific person, place or thing are called demonstrative adjectives. So words that describe, that points out nouns are demonstrative adjectives. You can ask which to noun, okay, to get the answer of demonstrative adjective. This, that, those, such, and articles a, an, and the are demonstrative adjectives. Let's take one example. This car is very expensive. So here this is a word that points out car. It tells us about car. So it points out the car. Okay, so this is demonstrative adjective. Let's take one more example. Such building is rare to find. Okay, such is demonstrative adjective. You have to remember that always demonstrative adjective is followed by noun. ओके, यानी एडजेक्टिव के पीछे नाउन होता है और नाउन के आगे डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव होता है. ओके, सच इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. The sixth type of adjective is possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are those adjectives that show possession, ownership. Okay, so that shows something belongs to somebody. Okay, it shows ownership. Here the words can be used like the words like my, your, its, their, his, her, etc. can be used. Okay, here let's take one example. I think you forgot your purse. Here the word your is possessive adjective. It shows possession of purse. Okay, it shows possession of purse. It shows that purse belongs to you. Okay, so this is possessive adjective. One more example. This is my house. Here word my is possessive adjective. It shows possession of house. It shows that house belongs to me. Okay, this is my house. You have to remember that possessive adjective is always followed by noun. Number seventh type of adjective, distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives are those adjectives that tell us about a thing or person taken separately out of group. Means it refers to each and every person or thing. Okay, it refers each thing or person as one. Okay, these adjectives point out each one of noun or pronoun. Okay, they are followed by a singular noun. Okay, they are followed by singular noun. Let's take examples. Each child is carrying a flag. Here, each refers to distributive adjective. Next one, every student should stand in a line. Here, every refers to each and every student. Okay, it refers as one separate students. Okay, separate student from students. Okay. Eighth type, participles as adjectives. Both present participle and past participle can also be used as an adjective. Okay, can be used as adjectives. Example of present participle adjective. She read an interesting article. Here, interesting is formed with interest plus ing. Okay, V plus ing. So here it is present participle adjective. Okay. Example of past participle adjective. Renowned. Okay, a renowned scientist has given this theory. Here verb renown plus ed. Okay, you can see ed, right? So this is past participle adjective. Here this renowned, it describes about scientist, which is a noun. Again, present participle adjective is formed using verb plus ing. Example, she read an interesting article. Here, interesting is present participle adjective. Okay, and article is the noun. Okay, and example of past participle adjective. A renowned scientist has given this theory. So here, scientist is noun and renowned is past participle adjective which is formed using verb plus ed. Number ninth type of adjective, proper adjective. Proper adjectives are those adjectives that are formed from proper nouns. Okay, that originate from proper noun. And like proper noun, proper adjectives also begin with capital letter. Okay, the word begins with capital letter. Proper adjective begins with capital letter and they are originated from proper nouns. Example, Italian, Russian, Indian, Arabian, Bengali, etc. Okay. So these are these are formed from proper nouns. Proper nouns are names of, generally they are name of a specific country, specific state, city, continent, person, place, okay, a specific thing, etc. Here examples are Indian, Russian, Italian, Arabian, Bengali, then we can say American, Australian, etc. Okay, let's take example. Arabian tales are famous all over the world. Here Arabian is originated, it is formed from Arab. Okay, so it is proper adjective. Okay, it describes what kind of tale? Arabian tale. Now the second example is Bengali. Rasgulla are liked by all. Here Bengali is proper adjective. Okay, it enhances the meaning of the noun. Okay, it tells us about the noun Rasgulla. Okay, so here Arabian and Bengali are proper adjectives. There are many sentences, okay, like Chinese people have progressed a lot. So here Chinese is proper adjective. Okay children, rest of the chapter we will cover in the next video tutorial.
Okay students, I hope you understood this topic. You have to read this chapter from your book. You have to read this topic from your book. And if you are having any doubts, you can contact me or drop your query in the app. Okay children, bye. Take care.